here we go. We got a awesome DentaLife, and my dog is super excited. Come on, Nala. So these are the large for 40 plus pounds. So make sure you're following that. 50% average reduction in tartar buildup, tasty chicken flavor, chewy texture, and 8 distinct ridges. So let's go ahead and see if she likes them. Come on, girl. Come on. Do you smell it? You do, don't you? Let's see if we can rip it open for you, okay? Okay, here we go. Did you get a little whiff of that? Oh yeah, you can get in there, don't you? Let's get this side. Okay, how are we doing? Are we in? Are we in? All right, let's see if we can get this ripped open here so we can get in and get ourselves some denture mats. Because you're like, oh goodness, how do we get these open? All right, we gotta rip them open. She's not happy with me. Okay, all right, we're getting in the old-fashioned way. So they do seal up, which I definitely like. So you gotta get right below the seal, which is super important with regards to these. So let's go ahead and get it in here and see what we like on. And she is just, you keep moving me out of the way, girlfriend. Here we go. All right, sit. Okay. Oh, how was it? So I will say dogs do know the difference between these as far as this is not a real treat. This is one that they're going to use and chew and gnaw at. So with these, obviously getting that flavor that they like and they're going to love. Come on, Nala. Come here. All right. Well, she'll get back in here, but we do know that she definitely likes it as it's got that awesome, tasty chicken flavor. Guys, definitely check out Purina DentaLife, their daily oral care.